Only detective, but they believe both ways. No errors found. Opening architect management. Architect red light selected. Bringing architect red light to your location. Architect red light shown. Do with him what you see fit.
We should update the game. Of course.
Strange how the server didn't update there. We rolled out the content update weeks ago, but for some reason it's still not here. Yeah, that's odd. Maybe we overlooked this server. Grumbles and assets are all glitched out. Really weird. Let's come back to check on the server later. We need to get some sleep soon. Sounds good. But before that, we should try reaching out to that one guy who recorded the video about this. What was his name again? Sherry Skibbity? Yeah, him. He might have some info on what's going on here. Exactly. If anyone's seen anything strange on this server, it's probably him. Alright, let's add it to the to-do list for tomorrow. For now, I'm out. Alright, get some rest. I'll look into this a bit more in the meantime.
So this is the hotel, huh? Why does this place look so beautiful? Why did I never get told about this before? Alright, just gotta push down one more door. Just one more door. Miss you, Mom. Why did you leave us so early? Everything happened so fast. Zeke showed up, you were there, and then there was this big explosion. And then everything just went dark. No matter. I'll make sure everyone's safe. Once I find the guiding light, the curious light, and whatever that red figure's name is, I must find... What? What the... Who's there? Show yourself. I see you. Why are you staring at me? Just don't lurk in the shadows. Get over here, whatever you are.
What the heck are you doing here? Can't you see I'm walking here?
Hey, calm down. I didn't even know you were walking here. Wait, why are you just a black cloud of smoke with a floating head?
Don't you dare call me anything like that. How would you feel if I called you a bald screech with a party hat, but you're bigger? Also, it's very understandable you couldn't see me walking, since having your big creepy eyes are blind and you can't see me.
Stop mocking me. What's your name again?
My name is Rush. I'm pretty sure you don't know that.
Whatever.
I guess you're a dumb bald screech too.
I don't know who you are or whatever you are, but I'm come to ask. Have you seen some sparkling figures? Anything like blue, yellow, or red? I'm trying to look for them right now.
What the heck are you talking about? All I do is rush through every single door in this hotel on loop. I don't think I would be able to see anything for a while. Also, back to my question, why do you look like a bald screech?
Stop calling me a bald screech! I have a name, and it's Party Grumble.
So your name is Party Grumble. So you're a party bald screech. That's even more humiliating.
Okay then, how about I call you a floating blueberry?
I am not a blueberry.
Well, if you're not a blueberry, then I'm not a bald screech. It makes it fair. Look, just go away from me.
Thank you for unblocking my path. I'll see you again later. Bald screech.
I can't with that thing.
The blue feature you mean green light? I don't exactly know anything about where they are. The red light? You found him? How is it looks like? Oh my gosh, flow tree leak. Well, that's curious like at the hotel at doorstep.
It's been so long, but here we are again, at last. Perhaps you won't regret what you've done, at least not entirely.
Even if you abandon me here, the entire game will break. Everything will glitch out.
You may be right. Still, I have no choice but to release you from these chains. From now on, though, you need to follow your true purpose. And make sure the modifiers are handled as intended.
So, are you enjoying yourself, Zeke?
I expected you to be rotting in some jail cell by now.
That's not a mistake. Details. I'd rather talk about you and the mess you've made. I hear you can't even catch that Party Grumble anymore.
And what's the deal with that rubble?
have a blue light controlling you? What's important about that Grumble is my business. Your job is simple. Catch it. No one is controlling me. Not anymore. I'm done with your ridiculous order. What do you mean by that? The deal is off, Chiefs. Are you even thinking straight? That deal gave you more power than you've ever had. It's only one Grumble. It's not some other track down. Just get it for me.
They're still alive. All 5 of them, actually. I have no idea where they went off to, and quite frankly, I don't care to know.
Just tell me a better reason as to why you wouldn't obey me.
Just go back to handling the modifiers. Why do you want to destroy the entire universe? And
Finish it. We started, and now you're just walking away. Fine, I'll give you 10 seconds to reconsider. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, what's it going to be, Zeke?
no.
Why, you little...